all of you. Today we will discuss our new chapter 13 about the earth and the sky, the most important one because we live in earth and the most important is about to know it. Now you can see the picture and take the things that you have seen. Now in our local area all of you have seen trees, houses, cow, sun, birds, flower, rivers. These all are the common thing which we see in daily in our life. These are the common um, thing which we always see nearby us, nearby surrounding, and it is in our use in every day. As we know that we live on the earth, and earth is a very beautiful planet because not only the human, all the different creatures are living together in this earth. Now the sky is above our forehead. You have seen the sky which have infinity height, which is very higher than us, and its height is very large, so it is above our head. And if we look up at the sky, we see the sun shining during the day. As you see in the sky, the sun shines brightly in the sky because the sun rays are very brightly shines in the day. Now the moon and the stars shines during the night. Yes, because the sun rays shine brightly in the day, that's why we can't able to see the moons and stars in the night, in the day. So so we see the moons and stars shining during the night, because in night the sun rays are not able to reach us, so the sun rays not affect us and we are able to properly see the moon and stars shining in the sky at night. Now it is very important to know that in which planet we are living. We should know about something about it, because it is very important to know these facts. So we live on earth, and earth is the third planet from the sun. So the earth is a beautiful place. We all know that because the earth is very big, and in this earth there are beautiful creatures, lands, animals, many things are present in that which looks very beautiful. And many animals and plants are found here, different types, varieties, which you have seen in your life and you will able to see in coming days. And it is made of land and water. You have seen the different lands like black soil, red soils, alluvial soils. Now waters, the hills, the rivers, which looks very beautiful. The earth has air surrounding it. Yes, we are not able to see the air, but we can feel the air, which is present nearby surrounding us and which help us to take oxygen, because without air we can't stay in this earth, because oxygen is the main important part of our life. Without oxygen we can't stay in this earth or anywhere. The earth look flat to us, but it is round like a ball. Yes, we imagine that it is flat, but it is round like a big ball. The earth spins round and round in its orbit near the sun, and it takes one day to spin around once. Yes, it takes one day to spin around once. So we have come to know a little bit about the earth in this topic. Again we will discuss in brief in other topic.